Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. The price of Bitcoin Cash is once again very close to the resistance of this down channel. You can see that for the past several days it is moving inside this down channel, and now recently it is bounced very well from this uptrend line support that I was showing you in my so many previous videos. And by the way, this is a quite long-term uptrend line support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously for several months it had been breaking at the resistance here from the month of September 2022 up till the month of Feb 2023. And after the breakout, you can see that it is flipped into a nice and long-term uptrend line support. And you can see that the price, and whenever it is testing the support, it is starting nice bounces or nice rallies to the upside. And this time, you can see that the price is once again bounced very well from the support and now about to hit the resistance of this down channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin Cash that I shared on 18th of July 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal sharp pattern that Bitcoin Cash formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and sell targets on and stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was almost 11% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And this is the weekly. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, since after 25th of March 2024, the price line is moving inside this channel. And here we had a fake out from this channel on 29th of July 2024, but the price line was rejected by this long-term resistance of $450. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $450 had been previously breaking as a resistance here, and before that it had been breaking as a support here, and for a few weeks almost here it had been breaking as a support. Therefore again it is breaking as a strong resistance for the price line, and the price line re-entered the same channel. And now recently you can see that it is bounced from this uptrend line support, a quite long-term uptrend line support that had been previously breaking as a resistance here for several months. And after the breakout, you can see that it is flipped into a nice support. We have stable touch points here, then we had a nice pump, and now recently the price line on the daily time frame chart is bounced on this support. And after this bounce, the price line is once again reached the resistance, very close to the resistance of this down channel, and slightly higher than the resistance of this down channel. By the way, we will have another quite long-term resistance of $350. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this $350 had been previously breaking as a support here and resistance here, and before that it had been breaking as a support here, resistance here, and resistance here as well, and here as well. Therefore again it can break as a strong resistance for the price. And however, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $700. And you can see that from $700 to $800 we have a quite long-term resistance that was previously breaking as a resistance here, and resistance here, and resistance on here. And after this huge rally, after the breakout from this wedge, you can see that the price line was once again rejected by this resistance on that starts from $700 and goes to $800. Now if you take a look at the technical long-term target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, that move is still due, and that target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.